Listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own DD. Be your own designated driver. You cannot trust what I say 100%. Know I have your best interests, and I always keep it 100. Welcome back for those y'all that are still here. I appreciate it. Much love, respect to y'all. I'm going to get straight into it. AMC stock, people got to start waving their white flags, bro. I'm at that point where I'm not going to trim my position. I'm going to get into that in a minute. But I'm at the point where you have to look at what's the worst to come and also what's possibly the best to come. I'm going to start off with the bad news. So today, was it the 26th of March, Thursday? This stock moved down 2 more cents. It's trading at 96 cents. 96 cents, y'all. Ever since the 20th of March, the 19th of March, 2026, this stock has officially been trading under $1. On the 20th, just on Friday, it was trying to get to 105 and the sellers pushed the price down. And then just on Monday, on the 23rd, it went down as low as 97 cents. It went all the way up to 106, and it hasn't been that high ever since. We are looking at the falling wedge of a knife of a lifetime. This is a fallen knife. This has been going on for years with AMC. This is the daily chart, by the way, y'all. Look at this, man. Falling wedge after falling wedge after falling wedge. And we are officially in the black hole now, trading sub $1. If this stock trades for 30 consecutive trading days and closes below $1, they're going to get a delisting warning. And there's nothing to panic about because there's extensions, there's ways to go around it. So we as AMC shareholders have to hope that this stock finishes at above $1. So this 30-day clock can reset, because right now, this is day 30, 29, 28 as of the 26th. So tomorrow, I'm not really expecting anything. This is the second consecutive day we've reached the all-time low. Now AMC is trading at 96 cents, like I said. This black hole, I've stretched it all the way down to 50 cents. I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I see this coming down lower, lower, and lower. It does not matter what good news is coming out with this company. Today, about 70% of today's shares were traded in the dark pools. Last week, even earlier this week, it's been at over 80% of AMC shares being traded off exchange. As we know, it's market manipulation. The board of directors, let's not just look at Adam Aaron. We all know he's a dickhead. We all know he's a mark. He's a buster. But look at his staff. It's all a team of individuals. We even got a raccoon. We have a black man that's a director. We have, looks like an Asian person or something, Sonia Jane. Just look at this, man. Look at all these devilish leaders of AMC. This is the board. These are the people that have destroyed this stock. It has been down since 2021. We're going on 5 years now. 5 years that this stock reached the all-time high during the MOAS in 2021. This guy's been in direction since 2019. He's been part of it since 2012. This lady, 2023, she's relatively new. Can't put all blame on her, really. This guy, Gary Locke, 2016, he's been around. Another director. We go back up. Philip Ladder, 2019. These people have been riding Adam Aaron's shoulders. This guy, Howard, Hawk, 2014, he's been around. This lady, 2024, relatively new. The raccoon, relatively new. 2024 for both of them. This lady, pretty new. 2023. So you got to think he's been here since January 2016. We're on over 10 years now. This guy run this company to the ground. You look at what he's been posting. He's been gaslighting, and he put a Taylor Swift song called "Shake It Off." And over here, there's a quote that he wrote on the 23rd. It says, "Here's how recipients cope with the constant flack that is perspective on X Twitter. The one only Taylor Swift figured out years ago, proclaiming that the haters gonna hate, hate, hate. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake it off, shake it off." But he's gaslighting. We all know this. He's a grandiose narcissist, man. This guy has blamed the price of AMC tanking this low on the war that's going on in the Middle East. And during 2020, he was blaming it on COVID. So we all know this guy is a gaslighter. He's blaming it on the oil prices now. And, he's saying the Dow and the SP 500 has been tanking and it's at its lowest point since November, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna get straight to the point with y'all with this stock, man. Usually when there's a falling wedge like this, at some point it's supposed to break out into the upside. You look at the RSI, it's oversold. Financial advice not coming from me, but people buy these dips. I'm deciding whether or not if I want to keep my shares. This is my account right here. I have 900 shares. I'm down right over here, over 1,400. And this is what happens, man. This is only 15% of my portfolio. A lot of people YOLO'd back then. They're the original ape. Shout out to them. I just decided to take a risk, and I'm losing bad. It's not over, but hey, AMC is on the ropes. And I have two options. I bought one in November and one in January. They both expire in January 27. I bought my first for 80 in November, and around January I bought it for like 40. I don't really see a point in tripling down. I don't really want next year to start off kind of slow if I keep buying shares. If it goes down to like one, I'll probably buy 10 of them. But anyways, I haven't bought a share since December 30th. And I'm going to keep it like that. If I even want to take a risk at this, I'll go to a different exchange like Webull or Moomoo and buy maybe like 100 shares just to test the waters. But, you're throwing money into a black hole. This is a quicksand stock. I believe in it. I'm just saying the odds are against us. There's no hype on this stock. There's no anticipation for people to go out and buy. I'm going to be looking forward to this date over here, December 30th, because if all comes fails, if it's not delisted, if they do a reverse stock split, if I sell after this date, or not even after this date, like if I somehow profit, if I make a profit, I'll have a long capital profit. And as far as the wash sale rule, I haven't bought anything AMC related since 23rd, so I could literally sell all these shares if I really wanted to and walk out with about $900. But why do that if I'm already down this bad? And it's on my whole portfolio. I'm actually building my buying power back up. And this isn't accurate because I be day trading, as y'all know. So I put in about a little over 2K on this, and I'm already over halfway to get my buying power back up. So I could survive taking an L like this. And you never know. You never know what can happen with the stock. You just got to be optimistic and at the same time accept reality for what it is. We could be seeing a delisting in the future. I don't think it will happen. I'm just putting it out there. And the dilution, I didn't even mention the dilution. Like Adam Aaron has a history of diluting stocks as well as the board. You know what I'm saying? And you look at GameStop, they're manipulating at Wall Street with GameStop because they had a pretty good earnings the other day. They actually hit. They're a little short on the revenue, but as far as earnings per share, they did their thing, man. Around 49 cents a share. They expected 37, and revenues just a little short. And usually AMC and GameStop go hand in hand, but this has been tanking ever since. But not complaining, staying on 10 toes. I got my chest up high, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to back down. I'm not buying no more shares. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Trading G's with G. I'm out.